Now next program, two numbers are stored in a file. Okay, name of file is number.txt. So what is our program? We have to read these numbers from file and display their sum on the screen. Okay, so this is our program to read data from file. Okay, so how to read data from file? Okay, now let us see the program. First of all, file declare, file followed by file pointer variable. Okay, this is the temporary pointer file variable. Okay, so this is the temporary variables for file. Now this is the name of the file. Okay, number. So data already stored in this file. Okay, we have to read the contents from this particular file. Okay, because of we have to read data from this file, so R mode is required. W mode to write data into file, R mode to read data from file. Okay, now first of all, whether this file variable pointer equal to null, condition true or false. If the condition true, okay, printf cannot open the file. Okay, if condition is to be found false, goes to here else part. Okay, what to do? First variable read from file. This is the app scanf command. You know, app scanf command read data from file. So percentage d indicates for integer, so read integer data from file, fscanf command. Second fscanf, second data read from file, and first data store in variable number 1, second data from file store into variable number 2. So these two data will be received from file. First variable first data, second variable for second data. Okay, now sum equal to first number and second number, added printer sum. App close command. What is app close? To close the file. So already running file will be closed. Okay, so this is the program how to read data from file. Okay, this is the good program. Integer value scanned from file, first integer value scanned from file, second integer value scanned from file, added. Okay, so this is the program of to read data from file. So in this program, file already open in read mode. App open command to open the file in read mode. App open command to open the file. Name of the file is number.txt. We have to open this file in which mode? Because you've already put R, means read mode.